Add customized header in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can create and add customized header in Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a browser. After that, you'll need to log in into your Shopify account. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, you can see in the right hand side bar the list of options. Now first of all, you need to create a menu in order to create or customize the header. So for that, you need to go to online store, left hand side bar. You'll be able to see multiple options underneath. From there, you need to go ahead and tap on navigation. As soon as you've done that, you need to click on add menu. After that, you'll need to once again tap on add menu items. Right over here, you'll need to select the category you need to select the header first of all. Now let's just go ahead and type in footwear, type homepage and click on the add button. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and add on menus and items underneath this, and after that you can just select the category accordingly. Now one of the most important is that add a header. So for that, you need to go to online store once again. After that, just tap on leave page. Once done that, you need to scroll down a bit, go to customize. As soon as you've done that, you need to go ahead and tap on add section. You'll be able to see video, and from here you can just go ahead and make changes with the video and all that. So after that, you can just go through it all, and then accordingly you can just make changes with your information. So there are lists provided to you. You can go through it all and then explain it and then make changes accordingly. After that, once you're done making changes, go ahead and tap on the save button located right on top. As soon as you've done that, refresh it or log out of your Shopify account, and once you've done that, you'll need to log in once again, and you've successfully created and added custom header in Shopify. So in this way, you can customize header on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.